Tiger barb, which goes by the Latin name Puntigris tetrazona or Barbus tetrazona, both of them on screen. Now, are fish that I personally think get a little bit of a bad rap for being an aggressive fish and a bully fish. These fish are naturally found in Southeast Asia, in countries like Indonesia and Sumatra, but populations have been introduced all around the world. Australia, even the United States, do have native populations now. Tiger barbs are probably one of the most common beginner fish when people enter the hobby because of the appearance that they have. They're going to have a cool color pattern with different variants. You can get the standard gold body with black vertical stripes and orange tip fins. You got the albino, which is a light orange body with white stripes, or a solid green with black fins. And yes, of course, your different glow fish colors. So they come in these cool color variants, and they just look really neat, so I think that contributes to their popularity. But then people start out with smaller tanks and don't get a big enough group, and then they have a basically fixture piranha. These guys turn into killing machines and will murder everything if not kept properly. So these are going to max out around 3 inches, but most stay about 2.5 in aquariums. They have a life expectancy of around 6 years. Now, these fish are semi-aggressive in that they do require to be in a small group, or like I mentioned, they can turn into a murder machine and rip each other apart for dominance along with other fish in the tank. Which is a weird thing, because with these guys, if they're kept in groups of 3 or less, or really anything under 6, they're a death machine. When they're kept in groups of 6 or more, they're actually more docile. They school together. They don't go after other fish. And they really will only occasionally have fights for aggression to control, like, the school of fish, basically. Tank parameters, you're going to want a temp range of 70 to 80 degrees. The ideal range is about 74, 76. pH of 6 to 7, 6.5 being the most ideal. Minimum tank size for these guys, I would say you want is a 20 gallon, because of course you want to keep a school of 6 or more. And a 10 would probably just be too small for that. They can go with other fish, other barbs, cory cats, tetras. I wouldn't go anything smaller than neon tetras though, so get something that stays about 2 inches or bigger for these guys. And as long as you keep them in a group and you have another schooling fish that stays in a group, you'd probably be okay. And just make sure that your cory cats or other fish that you keep do not have extremely long, flowy fins, because these guys will be more prone to fin dipping. Food-wise with these fish, they can pretty much take any food, any pellets or flake foods you want to give them. Personally, I would do an extreme krill flake, a Hikari micro pellet, or a micro wafer. You could also do Community Crave from Extreme, and they'd probably accept that just fine and do well with it. And overall, the Tiger Barb is a super awesome fish, so will give you a nice active fish to your tank compared to some other fish, and when given the proper community side for population, not going to be as aggressive as people think they are. I have kept the glowfish red ones, and I've kept the regular Tiger Barbs. I kept them in small groups, and I did not notice any aggression out of them. So, keep them in a group of 6 or more, and it should help with that aggression tendencies in them. But with all that being said, I am going to give these guys a 7.5 out of 10, because if they're not kept in groups, they can wreck a whole tank on you. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy this, and find yourself coming back on the regular, maybe hit that sub button down there, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with Tiger Barb, because I have a feeling it's going to be different for everybody. Some people are going to have war stories where they were horrible. Some people are going to say, you know what, they weren't that bad in my tank. So let me know down in that comment section below. And of course, leave a like on the video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next video.